Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Troxus Explorer Error Code 30. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users power on their Troxus Explorer. According to our research, this error is caused by a malfunctioning controller or controller wire. To deal with the error, we suggest checking if your bike is still under warranty. The issue comes from a faulty wire, and if the bike is not too old, the repair may be covered. So, if the bike is under warranty, just contact your dealer and explain the situation. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.